How to fix your email does not exist in Discord using iPhone. So first thing first, let's open the Discord app, and once you open it, you will be able to see the interface shown in the screen. So now you can see there is profile option at the top right corner of this home page. So just tap on the profile icon, and once you tap on it, you can see there is settings option at the top right corner of this profile page. So just tap on settings icon, and finally you will be able to see there is account option at the second. So once you select the account option, finally you can see there is email option. You basically need to tap on the email, and you simply need to enter your email. And once you enter your email, you need to verify it, and once you verify, you will be able to fix your email uh, problem successfully. So basically this is how, and this will be the process to fix your email does not exist kind of problem in Discord app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.